Software Spring. Presents. How to use XLOOKUP to extract values to left of search key in Google Sheets. Hi folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial on using the XLOOKUP function to extract single or multiple values to left of a search key. Please review the tutorial, how to use XLOOKUP to extract multiple values, if you've not already reviewed it. This tutorial content includes Intro to XLOOKUP and its arguments. Okay, here's the XLOOKUP function formula. Going forward, here are the objectives of this tutorial. To extract single value to left of search key. To extract multiple values to left and right of search key. Alright, type a name, which will be the search key. Okay, we are all set to type the XLOOKUP function formula. First, type the equal to symbol, X, L, and select XLOOKUP. For search key, click this cell. Type comma. For lookup range, select this area. Type comma. For result range, select this area. Tip. Select cells only in single column or row to extract a single value. Press enter. Alright, XLOOKUP has returned the value to the left of the search key. Now, we will extract data to left and right of search key. Type the initial part of XLOOKUP formula, as before. For search key, click this cell. Type comma. For lookup range, select this area. Type comma. For result range, select this area. Tip. Select two or more columns or rows to extract multiple values. Press enter. There you go. XLOOKUP has extracted values to the left and right of search key. To get the data of another employee, just type the employee name here and press enter. Okay, XLOOKUP has returned the related data. Quick review. A reason that makes XLOOKUP versatile is, it can extract values to left, right, or to left and right of search key. Specify single column or row for result range to extract single value. Specify multiple columns or rows for result range to extract multiple values. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.